Learning English is very hard.
No, it is not always hard.
Short sentences make it easy.
Yes, practice is the key.
Today, we learn job interview.
A common mistake is nervousness.
Do you feel nervous sometimes?
Type yes in comments below.
Maya wanted a bakery job.
She loves to bake bread.
The interview was very important.
Mr. Sterling is a strict boss.
Maya felt very nervous.
Her hands were shaking slightly.
She practiced answers yesterday.
But nerves made her forget.
She did not speak clearly.
Her voice was very soft.
Mr. Sterling asked questions.
Maya gave short, weak answers.
He thought she lacked experience.
This was a big mistake.
She has good baking skills.
But she did not show them.
Do not let nerves stop you.
Speak clearly and confidently, always.
Now let us practice together.
Listen to their conversation now.
Good morning, Maya. Sit down.
Good morning, sir. Thank you.
Tell me about yourself, please.
I am good at baking.
What is your experience level?
I bake at home always.
Do you have bakery experience?
I do not have much.
We need experienced bakers here.
I learn very quickly.
Can you start early morning?
Yes, I can do that.
Do you like making croissants?
I love croissants very much.
Good. We make many here.
I want to learn more.
Thank you for coming today.
Thank you for your time.
Remember, tell me about yourself.
And what is your experience?
Practice these key phrases.
Speak them loudly and clearly.
Always be ready for anything.
Interviews are just conversations.
Stay calm and speak well.
Subscribe for more English lessons.
Real English. Real communication.
See you in the next video. English is hard, right?
No, it is not.
Do you agree with him?
Type yes below.
Your clothes are everywhere.
They are not everywhere.
This room is a mess.
I do not see it.
Clean your side now.
I will do it later.
Later is never good.
You are always complaining.
I need a clean space.
This is my space too.
Please respect my needs.
I do respect you.
Your mess is very big.
It is creativity, Sarah.
It is just dirty laundry.
I am working here.
The dishes are piling up.
I will wash them soon.
Soon means tomorrow, always.
Do not tell me what.
We must talk about this.
I am too busy now.
This is not fair.
What do you want?
Okay. Let us practice.
Role play the situation now.
This room is messy.
What is the problem?
Your clothes are there.
Those are my things.
Please clean them up.
I can do it later.
No, please do it now.
Why is it urgent?
I need clean space.
I am working now.
The kitchen is dirty.
I will wash dishes.
When will you do?
I promise I will.
This is important to me.
I understand your point.
Can you help me?
Yes, I will help.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome, Sarah.
Let us keep it clean.
I will try my best.
That sounds very good.
We can do this.
Good communication helps us.
Yes, I agree fully.
Key phrase 1. Please clean up.
Key phrase 2. I will try my best.
Secret. Always be clear.
Short sentences are best.
Subscribe for more English.
Like this video now.
Real English. Real communication.
See you next time. Learning English is not hard.
You can speak it now.
Just listen and repeat after us.
This method works very well.
Today we learn to share.
Do you like sharing food?
Type yes if you love pizza.
Let us begin our story now.
Mia, the pizza is here.
Oh, I am so hungry.
I am opening the box.
It smells very, very good.
Pepperoni is my favorite kind.
Mine too. Give me a piece.
Here is a big, hot slice.
Thank you, Leo. It is perfect.
I am eating my second piece.
Wait, that was my last one.
No, it was not your last.
Yes, it was. You ate it.
I did not know that, Mia.
You always eat my pizza.
I am very sorry now.
I wanted that last piece.
We can order more pizza.
No, I do not want more.
Please, do not be angry.
I am not angry, just hungry.
I will share my next slice.
Okay, that sounds very fair.
Did you see that mistake?
Let us practice this conversation.
Listen and repeat with us.
Speak out loud, please.
Mia, the pizza is here.
Oh, I am so hungry.
I am opening the box.
It smells very, very good.
Pepperoni is my favorite kind.
Mine too. Give me a piece.
Here is a big hot slice.
Thank you, Leo. It is perfect.
I am eating my second piece.
Wait, that was my last one.
No, it was not your last.
Yes, it was. You ate it.
I did not know that, Mia.
You always eat my pizza.
I am very sorry now.
I wanted that last piece.
We can order more pizza.
No, I do not want more.
Please, do not be angry.
I am not angry, just hungry.
I will share my next slice.
Okay, that sounds very fair.
This pizza is very delicious.
Yes, it is very tasty.
Do you want another slice?
Yes, please. Just one more.
Here you are. Enjoy it.
Thank you, Leo. You are nice.
You are welcome, little sister.
I am not little, big brother.
You are always my little sister.
Let us finish this pizza now.
Remember these two phrases.
You ate my last slice.
Practice saying it clearly.
We can order more pizza.
Repeat them many, many times.
They are very useful phrases.
The secret is consistency.
Practice English every single day.
Subscribe for more free lessons.
Like this video right now.
Real English. Real communication.
See you next time, friends.